In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can change DeepSeek from light theme to dark mode. So if you want to change the mode of your DeepSeek account from light to dark, let me show you how you can do it. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to my channel. My name is Isaac and this is A Minute with AI. Now, the first thing you need to do is to head over to your profile icon down here on the bottom left and then click on it and then choose settings. Now, from settings, you can see the theme you are currently using. It is set to system theme. However, should you want to change this, you can go ahead and tap on system and then choose between light and dark. So for my case, I want to change from light mode to dark mode. And if I choose that, now you can see we have made the switch. And now go ahead and close this window and you'll be good to go. So that's how you change your DeepSeek theme from light mode to dark mode. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.